there is a constant pressure and a constant fear which is there. Then also the entire transition from being at home, working at your own pace, own hours, getting complacent at home, not getting ready to go to work. Those are simple things, but those are things which are, creating a challenge currently also for people who are moving back to office. With respect to the working population, one of the difficulties is that the constantly changing mode of working. So between the quarantines and the lockdowns and the sudden shift to work from home, and then there's hybrid work, and then from hybrid work there's sudden work in the offices. So that transition has been extremely difficult for the working population to take. We must learn to understand that change is the only normal and change is the only constant. There has been so much of change happening. So first is not to resist the change, but to embrace. So, rather than resisting, that is going to create a lot of anxiety. Second thing is to be in gratitude. We were all cribbing and grumbling about the fact that we are stuck at home. We've not been able to go. Now that we are able to go, again, we all grumbling. If you're a team leader, take out some time, every once in 2 or 3 days to have simple team meetings with your team to ask them how they are feeling, so that you address any personal concerns over there. That will help everybody adjust better into life, into the work life.